Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Valerie and today I have a tutorial for this low-rise mini skirt. I'd say this is a beginner level project. Everything is super simple, so if you're new to sewing, this tutorial is perfect for you. I've also created a pattern for the skirt, which you can find through the first link in the description below. So let's get into the tutorial. For the skirt, we'll only need two materials. Fabric, which can be any type as long as it's stretchy. I'm using B-Flex, and a 3cm wide elastic band. And the pattern. You can find it via the first link in the video description. The printed for the pattern should be paper size A4 and scaled to fit the paper. After printing the pattern, cut it with the axis with the corresponding markings with scissors. Assemble all the sheets and cut out all the pieces. And now I'm going to cut the pieces out of the fabric. Next, take the front and back pieces, place them right sides together, and sew along the side seams. I'll be doing this in an overlocker, but you can also do it on a regular sewing machine, using a zigzag or another stretch stitch. Next, I'm going to take the elastic band. I've already measured how much I need by simply wrapping it around my waist, where the skirt will sit, and I'm going to cut it, adding 2 cm for joining. Then I'm going to fold the elastic like this, overlapping one end over the other, and sew a stitch to secure it. Don't forget to backstitch the beginning and end. Now I'm going to divide the elastic into 4 equal parts and mark them with pins. Then I'm going to pin it evenly to the skirt. Next, sew it around using an overlocker or sewing machine with a zigzag stitch. Now, fold the elastic band, and it needs to be secured in place. There are different ways to do this. You can baste it by hand all the way around, or you can top stitch it with a twin needle. Alternatively, you can secure it by stitching along the side seams, as I'm going to do. I'm just going to make a stitch in the seam so that it's not visible. I'm also going to secure it in the middle with hand stitches. I'm simply going to grab a couple of threads from the fabric so that the stitch isn't visible on the outside and sew it to the elastic. The only thing left is to finish the hem of the skirt. First, I'm going to finish the edge with an overlocker. Then I'm going to fold the edge and sew it with a twin needle. When threading the machine for a twin needle, thread both spools of thread at the same time to prevent tangling. I've already folded and basted the edge, and now I'm going to sew it. Here's how it looks. On one side, there is a double stitch, and on the other a zigzag, which allows the stitch to stay stretchy. And our skirt is done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. Also, let me know what other tutorials you'd like to see. See you in the next videos. Bye!